The Telefunken FA1 Automated External Defibrillator is a fully automatic defibrillator manufactured by a premium quality European manufacturer. This AED comes housed in a sturdy red carry case, ideal for storage and carrying easily to a casualty. On opening the case, you will find the defibrillator in one half of the case and comprehensive pictorials printed on the other side, displaying clear step-by-step instructions on providing life-saving treatment. Underneath the pictorials, in the lid, is a rescue-ready accessory kit. The rescue-ready accessory kit includes a pair of disposable gloves to provide protection from infection, a resuscitation face shield to prevent cross-infection during CPR, a pair of clothing cutters to enable access to the casualty's chest, and a razor to remove any excess chest hair. The Telefunken AED comes complete with an alkaline battery capable of delivering over 200 shocks and clearly labelled adult electrodes. Both the battery and the electrodes have a 3-year standby time. The Telefunken AED performs daily and monthly self-checks as well as checking at the time of switch on. This 2.6 kg AED has an IP rating of IP55, meaning it can provide protection against dust ingress and low-pressure water jets from any direction. The Telefunken AED operates at temperatures from 0 degrees to 50 degrees centigrade. This is an automatic AED, meaning that it is simple to use, requiring no intervention to provide a shock. The first aider does not need to press a button to deliver the shock. The AED guides you through the steps of using the defibrillator with both visual and verbal instructions.
Open patient's airway. Phone alarm number. If there are no signs of life, remove clothing from chest and stick on electrodes. Stick electrodes on the patient's bare chest. Do not touch the patient from now on. Analyzing heart rhythm. Shock necessary. Preparing shock. Shock has been given. Patient may be touched. Carry on resuscitation. Alternately, give 30 chest compressions and 2 mouth-to-mouth breaths.
The Telefunken FA1 AED automatically increases the energy delivered following unsuccessful shocks. After the first 2 shocks, the energy level delivered is increased to give a higher energy shock. The energy delivered rises from 175 joules to 271 joules. This AED has a 6-year unit warranty, excluding the electrodes and battery. The Telefunken FA1 AED fits neatly into a wall bracket, allowing it to be kept securely and safe from potential damage, and also making it clearly visible in the event of an emergency. Alternatively, the AED can be stored in a wall cabinet, which has the option of a key lock or thumb lock, increasing the security of the unit and providing high-quality protection. The wall cabinet has a clear door that allows the visual inspection of the AED without opening the cabinet. This ensures that the AED is in its designated location, ready to be used in case of an emergency. A range of signage is available to increase the visibility of the AED and direct the user to their trained colleagues. There is also a sign to be displayed in a different location, directing anyone to the place an AED is stored in the event of an emergency. Posters providing information on using a defibrillator and CPR are available to help increase people's knowledge and confidence in an emergency situation. These posters contain information on what an AED is, who can use an AED, how they work, when to use them, and step-by-step instructions on how to use an AED. The second poster provides clear step-by-step instructions on providing CPR and defibrillation to a casualty. These posters should instill confidence into any user, both trained and untrained, and help to potentially save lives. Whilst being simple to use, defibrillator training is recommended to allow the user to become familiar with the AED prior to having to use it in an emergency situation, ensuring the confidence to use the AED when it is needed.